Hey, good to see you. Welcome to the BWT News. A teardown of the Pixel Screenshots app reveals that Google is preparing a substantial update aimed at improving usability and organization. Soon, users could see 2 new shortcuts in the app, alongside a gesture to select multiple screenshots, which would simplify managing multiple images at once. Another likely addition is the ability to import multiple images from other apps, making it easier to group related visuals. Additionally, new actions are expected to be available for email addresses and phone numbers within screenshots. This would enable quicker access to contact information found in images, streamlining communication and saving users time. These changes come just months after the app debuted with the Pixel 9 series, reflecting Google's intent to refine user experience continuously. Currently, the app's homepage displays collections and recent screenshots, with an arrow icon allowing access to all screenshots on a separate page. However, a new layout is reportedly in testing, where users would no longer see an arrow. Instead, all screenshots could be visible directly from the home page, with an option to change the layout, making navigation faster and more intuitive. While these features look promising, it's important to remember that APK teardowns only show code in development. There's no guarantee that every tested feature will make it to the public release, but the planned enhancements hint at Google's ongoing focus on making its Pixel Screenshots app more user-friendly and powerful for organizing and managing images.